Hey everyone, in the crowded field of robotic vacuum cleaners, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni has become an attractive choice since it improves upon many of the most important features rather than creating a whole new one. It's simple to become overwhelmed by the abundance of robot vacuums with comparable features and price ranges. But with some clever design decisions, good engineering, and a recent price reduction that has greatly increased its appeal, the X10 Pro Omni is able to establish a strong personality. Its D-shaped design, which makes it easier to reach into corners and along baseboards than conventional spherical ones, is one of its most notable qualities right immediately. In addition to being useful, this geometric choice provides the robot a sleek, contemporary appearance that makes it easier to integrate into modern houses. With a matte plastic surface that prevents fingerprints and contributes to a sleek, high-end appearance, the build quality feels sturdy. Even with its sturdy design, it only takes up around 33 by 35 centimeters of space and stands just over 11 centimeters tall, including the LiDAR turret. The X10 Pro Omni has a side brush for edge cleaning and a center anti-tangle brush under the hood. The mopping department is where it really shines. The robot applies roughly 10 newtons of downward pressure using two spinning pentagonal mop pads that rotate at 180 revolutions per minute. This is vigorous scrubbing, not simply a gentle wipe down, and it works genuinely well even on sticky residues or dried stains. The robot mechanically raises the mops by 1.2 centimeters to avoid wetting them while switching from hard flooring, demonstrating how intelligently carpets are taken care of. Eufy's version of intelligent LiDAR-based mapping, LiDAR, handles navigation and is quick and precise. The program allows you to fine-tune zones, such as renaming rooms, establishing no-go areas, or changing cleaning paths, and the first mapping is completed quickly. The app itself is accessible on iOS and Android and has a simple appearance. The X10 Pro Omni's multi-purpose base station, which does more than just empty the trash, it also cleans, rinses, and dries the mop pads, is what makes it even more unique. Hot air at about 45 degrees Celsius is used in the drying process, which takes a few hours to completely dry the pads and eliminate any musty odor. Unlike many competitors that position the dust bag at the front, this one is top-loaded. Although it is not a record, the suction power of up to 8,000 pascals is astounding. However, even at medium settings, performance was strong in real-world testing. These settings will affect battery life. Although Eufy promises a 180-minute runtime, running it at maximum power produced more accurate results that were closer to 60 to 70 minutes. You can initiate or halt cleanings with a few easy commands thanks to the robot's compatibility for Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa voice assistant integration. To sum up, while the Eufy X10 Pro Omni isn't revolutionary, it is incredibly well made. It is one of the more well-rounded cleaning robots on the market today, thanks to its strong suction, incredibly efficient scrubbing mops, clever mapping, a well-designed compact base, and a dependable app, especially now that its price has decreased from €799 to about €650 or less. It's absolutely worth taking into consideration if you're searching for a trustworthy robot vacuum and mop set that doesn't compromise on practical functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.